CGDI CG100X just leveled up big time. Version 1.9.9.0 adds Nissan X-TRAIL and ARIYA with no filter required. This is one of those updates that quietly changes daily work for technicians, and if you blink, you might miss how important it really is. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you to Bobji Motors, your ultimate hub for automobile diagnostics and programming tools, where we break down real updates that actually matter in the workshop, not just fancy feature lists. Today we're talking about the latest CGDI CG100X software update, version 1.9.9.0, officially released in December 2025, and this update is especially interesting because it adds direct support for the Nissan X-TRAIL and Nissan ARIYA dashboard processors with no filter required, which is a big deal for anyone who has struggled with modern Nissan clusters. Before we go deeper, a quick and important disclaimer. This video is strictly for educational and informational purposes only. Everything shared here is meant to guide technicians, learners, and automotive electronics enthusiasts. We follow fair use principles, and all brand names and trademarks belong to their respective owners. Always follow manufacturer procedures, safety practices, and local regulations when working on vehicles. Also, if you want to use the same diagnostic and programming tools shown in this video, you'll find them linked in the description below through affiliate links. Using those links supports Bobji Motors at no extra cost to you and helps keep detailed content like this coming. Now here is a serious question for you to think about while watching. With dashboards, airbags, and body modules getting more encrypted every year, is raw chip-level access without filters becoming the most valuable skill for technicians today? Stay with me till the very end, because I will share one practical insight that can save you hours of trial and error with modern clusters. Now, let us smoothly get into what actually changed in CG100X version 1.9.9.0. This update is not just a small patch. It is a large functional expansion across multiple system categories, including India advanced functions, dashboard coverage, airbag reset support, and read-write capabilities. CGDI officially added 5 new models to the India advanced version, which is important because this section focuses on CAN-based systems commonly seen in the Indian market. These additions include the Kia K3 using the S6J 324 CKSB processor over CAN, Hyundai Elantra with the same S6J 324 CKSB CAN setup, Hyundai HB20 also on the S6J 324 CKSB CAN platform, another Hyundai Elantra variant running the R7F701461 over CAN, and the Hyundai Creta Keystart system using the R7F701461 CAN processor. In simple words, this means better compatibility and fewer workarounds when handling popular Hyundai and Kia models that technicians see almost every day. Moving on to the dashboard section, this is where the update really explodes in size. CGDI added 39 new dashboard models in this single version, covering passenger cars, electric vehicles, motorcycles, buses, trucks, construction equipment, and even agricultural machinery. The list includes modern electric models like the Ion RT for the 2024 and 2025 range using a 24C64 memory, and the Lingbao electric vehicle from Jimai New Energy using a 24C08 chip. You also get coverage for multiple BAIC models, including the Ruwei, Sheng Wangpai M7 and the U7, along with older luxury platforms like the Mercedes-Benz R350 from the 2011 model year. Motorcycle technicians are not left out either, with additions like Yamaha MT-03 using a 93C66 memory and Triumph dashboards using a 24C512 chip. Heavy vehicle and commercial support also expanded significantly. Dashboards for Dongfeng trucks, Shakman Dragon M6000, SAIC Hongyan 460, Shuqi buses, and SEM loaders are now supported, which is a strong move because cluster repair in commercial vehicles is a growing niche. There are also modern multimedia and digital cockpit systems included, such as the Trumpchi GS4 Plus multimedia host and the Huchuang Vizero 9 digital cabin domain controller. Somewhere in the middle of reading this list, You might realize that the CG100X is slowly becoming that one tool on the bench that everyone reaches for first, like that one screwdriver that mysteriously fits almost everything. Now, let us talk about the headline feature that caught everyone's attention. CG100X version 1.9.9.0 officially adds support for the Nissan X-TRAIL using the S6J32LE processor and the Nissan ARIYA using the S6J332E processor, both with no filter required. This is extremely important. These are modern Nissan platforms, including a fully electric vehicle in the case of the ARIYA, and being able to work on their dashboards directly without filters means cleaner data handling, fewer risks, and faster job completion. For technicians who deal with mileage correction, cluster replacement, or data recovery, this alone makes the update worth installing. The airbag section also received meaningful improvements. 4 new airbag modules were added, including 3 Mahindra part numbers using the XC2336B processor and 1 Great Wall encrypted airbag module using an R7F7010643. This expands crash data reset capability for both Indian manufacturers and Chinese platforms, which are increasingly common on the road. Next comes the dashboard read-write category, and this is where advanced users will feel the difference. 14 new read-write models were added, meaning you're not just reading data anymore, but safely writing it back when supported. This includes vehicles like the Lexus NX 300, Lincoln Z, Chery Arizo 8 with combined dashboard and body control module handling, and even Tesla dashboard with part numbers 1031643-00A and -00B using the 25320 memory. Tesla support alone tells you how far cluster tools have evolved, because a few years ago, this would have sounded unrealistic. Other additions include encrypted platforms from Trumpchi, Wenjia, FAW, Great Wall, and Hongqi, showing that CGDI is actively keeping up with encryption trends instead of falling behind. Updating the CG100X to this version is straightforward. You can update directly through the device software interface or download the latest package from the official CGDI update channel and install it manually, depending on your setup. Either way, backing up existing data before updating is always a smart habit because prevention is cheaper than recovery in electronics. So let us circle back to the question I asked at the beginning. Is chip-level access without filters becoming the most valuable skill for technicians today? The answer is yes. As dashboards and control units become more integrated and encrypted, tools like the CG100X that offer direct, clean access without additional filters reduce risk, save time, and increase job success rates. In my personal opinion, updates like version 1.9.9.0 show that CGDI is listening to real workshop needs, especially by adding platforms like Nissan ARIYA instead of only focusing on older vehicles. One useful tip before we wrap up. Always identify the exact processor and memory type before starting any dashboard job, even if the tool claims support, because one wrong assumption can turn a quick job into a long evening. If this update helped you or made your work easier, let me know your experience in the comments. Do you think CG100X is becoming a must-have programmer for modern dashboards? If this video resonated with you, show your support by pushing this video toward 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Hype it up if you relate to these daily workshop struggles, and subscribe to Bobji Motors for more real-world diagnostic updates. And once again, if you're planning to buy the tool shown here, check the affiliate links in the description so you can grab the exact same equipment while supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for staying till the end. And as always, keep learning, keep adapting, and happy diagnosing.